Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook force stop. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook force stop, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click here for stop as you see, and you will click OK. Then you will go to click here storage and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data and you click here OK. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.